Today we're answering a simple question with the goal to help you better grasp the other content that I've created on masculine design. When you go beyond merely hearing the tips and tricks that I suggest and you move into comprehending as to why I make the suggestions I do, you will have a much better footing in creating your own space. If you're a returning subscriber, hit the thumbs up. If you're new here, hopefully by the end of this video, you'll be a subscriber. Now to the question at hand. What is masculine design and how should it be used? Think of masculine design as a poster-worthy gentleman. Their style emits confidence. It's clean, it's structured. Their style displays boldness and strength in a very natural way. Of course, calling something masculine does not mean that it is imperatively linked to men. It plainly means that the qualities we find in masculinity we often associate with one gender more than another. To translate these attributes into home design, it requires a straightforward and pragmatic approach. This usually results in designs that hold practicality and functionality above everything else. But if we were to leave it at just that, it would likely feel a bit monotonous and boring. So what we do is sprinkle in items that cause excitement and interest. This entails earthy colors, naturally occurring textures, and hard materials. These are meant to complement and elevate the beauty of simplicity, leaving us with an impressive outcome. Something to keep in mind is that you do not want to eliminate all femininity out of a design. In fact, some of the best, most well-designed styles are those that perfectly blend masculine and feminine traits. A room with a masculine core needs feminine elements to balance the strength with warmth, to balance the boldness with welcomeness. When you do this properly, the room becomes comfortable for everyone and appeals to both sexes. Obviously, this was a shorter video, and hopefully this to-the-point explanation helps you make better sense of the foundation that lies behind masculine design. Again, if you like the video, hit the thumbs up. If you feel like sticking around a while, feel free to subscribe. See you on the next one.